The Jakarta-Bandung High-Speed Rail, HSR, is a transportation project in Indonesia aimed at connecting the capital city, Jakarta, with the city of Bandung using high-speed train technology. The project is designed to enhance connectivity and reduce travel time between the two cities. Key features of the Jakarta-Bandung HSR project include the construction of a dedicated high-speed rail line and the implementation of advanced train technology. The goal is to significantly reduce travel time, making the journey between Jakarta and Bandung faster and more efficient. The HSR project is expected to have a positive impact on economic growth in the region by improving transportation infrastructure and facilitating faster movement of people and goods. However, the project has faced challenges, including environmental and sustainability concerns, as well as various controversies. For the latest updates and progress on the Jakarta-Bandung HSR project, it's recommended to check recent news sources for the most current information.
Now the Jakarta-Bandung High-Speed Train project has been completed and is fully commercially operational. And since it was completed and operational, the Jakarta-Bandung High-Speed Train has carried more than 2 million passengers.
Oke, yang dari Jakarta sudah melintas